And we found it on the market that Feature Panda have a great solution, for that engine, for the Mercruiser engine. And this solution included one electric motor. Right now we are going to check the capacity. They offer a motor of 20 kilowatts, and the group of batteries should be configured in 48 volts. And this is the battery charger. This is the battery charger for 48 volts, and this is the control unit, and those are the keys to start the system. Okay, if I select batteries of 12 volts, I need to connect those batteries in series, 4 batteries per each series. But remember, when you connect in series, what happened with the intensity? Yeah, the intensity stays constant. In that particular case, I have 100 amps, I have 100 amps per each battery of 12 volts. If I connect 4 batteries in series, I have 48 volts, but 100 amps. Okay, let me verify how many amps I need in total in order to solve this situation. What is the meaning of that? I need 500 amps per hour at 48 volts to supply 20 kilowatts during 1 hour. However, what is the recommendation with the batteries? Discharge the batteries no more than 50%, ABYC question. Alright, in that case, I have with that group of batteries, I only have 30 minutes of constant operation of the equipment, the system. Alright, in order to discharge the batteries no more than 50%. Of course, if you use lithium batteries, you can discharge those batteries a little more, because those batteries have the ability to recover again, and those batteries are not destroyed if you discharge those batteries completely. Okay, suppose that I am going to use the batteries of 24 volts. You remember in the previous slide, those batteries, the capacity is 24 volts and 50 amps each one. Okay, if I connect two batteries in series, I have 48 volts, 50 amps. 48 volts, 50 amps. How many batteries I need? I need one group, two groups, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 10 of those groups. In total I need 20 batteries. 20 batteries in order to get 48 volts. 500 amps. In order to get 48 volts, 500 amps, I need 20. I need 20 batteries. And of course, you need to think in the configuration of the panels, how to organize those panels in order to produce 48 volts, 500 amps. In that particular case, once again, the solar panels should be with higher capacity than the capacity of the battery bank. If the battery bank, the capacity is 500 amps, the solar panel, the configuration of the panel should be 48 volts, but more than 500 in order to keep the group of batteries fully charged. Check my electrical book, the chapter 17, the episode number 1. In that episode, I explain in details the procedure to connect those solar panels, the procedure and some tips in relation with the solar panels. And there are options only with DC, like this. That small motor is DC motor, and the motor depends on this group of batteries, and this group of batteries receive the power from solar panels, and the solar panels enter the power in the solar controller, and after that in the battery bank, or from the windmill. This is a perfect electric boat with only solar panel and windmill, no generator. Okay, this is for sailboats. It's very common in sailboats. That picture is coming from a sailboat. This is another excellent situation. This is hybrid electrical. You have the engine. In this particular case, is a diesel engine, and you have the blue one in the middle is a generator or motor. That element have a dual function. What is the meaning of that? When the engine is running, the electrical element, the blue section, works like a generator, producing AC power for home. And when when the engine is off, in the second case, when the engine is off, then the blue section works like an electric AC motor, powered from the inverter or from the generator.